my channel. It's Porsha Marie here, and we're back with another makeup tutorial. We are going to be doing the Hot Girl Summer makeup. Okay, so we're just going to get straight into it. I am going to be going in with some sunscreen.
Just one guy.
We're going in with the Unseen Sunscreen by Supergoop. And we're just going to put a little bit right here. And we're going to blend that in. I know I haven't been posting on my channel. It was my birthday, so I took a little break, a little week break. Okay, so we got that good and patted in. Then we're going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Gotta moisturize the face. Gonna be hot this summer, so want to stay moisturized underneath our makeup. I'm gonna rub that in. Now we're gonna need a good primer to grip onto our makeup. Make sure it ain't going nowhere, you know. So we're gonna go in with the Secure the Blur one size to keep that makeup nice and on. Put a little bit up here. And then we're going to blend it out with our hands as well. Okay. The face is starting to feel a little tacky. We're going to go in with a little bit of a glow. And that is by Charlotte Tilbury. And this is the Flawless Filter in 6.5. And this is just going to give us a little glow underneath our makeup. So if you like a little glow underneath your makeup, this will be good. But if you want it matte, don't put this on here. Okay? Don't put that product on. Okay. The foundation we're going to use is the Huda Beauty Luminous Matte. And I have the shade 500G. I haven't used her in a while, but I know Miss Huda, she gonna get us right. She gonna get us right. Okay. So I did a couple of pumps on my face, and I'm gonna take a little flat brush like this to just blend this into our skin a little bit more. This color is so pretty. But we're gonna blend this into our skin just a little bit more, but we'll be able to blend it out. I did pick up me some new brushes. This is the Morphe Makeup by Ariel collection. We're going to be using some of these brushes today in our video. So I'm going to go in with the A24 brush, and we're going to use this to blend out our foundation. Oh, it's so soft, y'all. And we're just going to blend this out. So I'm waiting till I get 100 subscribers before I can do a giveaway, and I might include this brush set in the giveaway, but I don't know. We'll just have to see once I get to 100 subscribers. This foundation blended out so good. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. Now we're going to go in with our Fenty Beauty Espresso stick. And I'm just going to take a little stippling brush. This is by e.l.f. And it's a stipple brush. Yeah. And we're just going to swipe some off, and we're going to apply that to the face. my gosh, this foundation is so pretty. I gotta make sure I get my 5 head. Put a little bit underneath. For our nose, I'm just going to draw it on there. I'm going to take a brush and just blend out this nose. Okay, so we're going to go in with my favorite concealers right now, and that is the Anastasia Magic Touch Concealer in 18 and 16. You know we do 18, the darker one, right here. And I might do a little reverse contouring. So I'll put that right there. Then we're going to go in with 16. I'm going to put that right in the enter. Okay, and this is how the face is looking without it being blended out. Let me see if this sponge is giving. I didn't wet it, so I'm just going to wet it with my Morphe spray right here.
Just one guy.
And I'm going to use this brush that I used for the foundation, and I'm going to use that to blend out this a little bit. Just go up to cut the cheekbones. This is a flat little brush. What is this? 421. And we're just gonna drag this up. This foundation is full coverage. Everything I'm using is full coverage, y'all. So, going for a hot girl summer foundation beat. I mean, everything's gonna be full coverage. Everything's gonna try and look flawless. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this Morphe sponge, and I'm going to blend up. Make sure you get the corners of your nose. Okay. Now I'm going to go back in with this foundation brush, and I'm going to do just little stippling motions for you won't see that line of demarcation where we put that extra concealer. Okay, see, that's gone. Then we're going to go ahead and finish blending this out. Put this in. So once I get those 100 subscribers, I'll be able to do a giveaway for you guys. and I will let you know what the giveaway would be. Make a special video for it and all that. But I'm just trying to get there first. Okay. Woo. Girl, this is how the face is looking, and it looks good. So, full coverage, everything. We're going to go in with the one size from the base, medium 6 for our under eyes. And I think I want to use a brush. This is the Morphe M554 brush. And we're going to press this in under our eyes. Everywhere we put that concealer, we're going to put this product. This is about to be my summer foundation because what? This looks so good. Now we're going to go in with this NARS. This is a light reflecting setting powder in Shore. And we're going to press this in as well. This has a little bit of a glow to it. So we're just going to put a little bit. Because this is just the time to be extra, you know? But we're just pressing everything in. Now, in the summertime, when I want to do a matte face, I want to do a matte face, okay? So, I'm not going to do any liquid blush. I'm going to go in with a powder blush. And I'm just going to pick Tea Room and Tempting. And I'm just going to apply that upwards. I like to put a little bit on my nose. And people have been putting their blush like right up under their eye, but I don't know about that one. I haven't tried that one yet. Go back in with this powder brush. This looks so good. Okay, now we're gonna bronze. Okay, we're gonna go in with Fenty. And we're gonna go in with Thick Mint and Coconutty. Let me see if I can show you these two. So going in with these two. I'm just going upward, adding a little warmth to our face. Coconutty for the nose. And we're going to try and bring that nose in as much as we can. Morphe Trendsetter. Then we're going to go in with Trendsetter. Because it's not as dark. So then we're gonna blot our lips together with that. Oh y'all want to use a concealer for lip gloss? For lipstick, let's see. This is the shade 16. We're just gonna put a little bit on our lips. Then we're gonna go in with Fenty Glow on top to cool it down. Dots.
Just one guy.
Alright y'all, so this is it for this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.